Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you want to be updated to our content, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button on our channel. Follow Akash and I on Twitter, Akash at Mangyeko0, and myself at Just Analysis 1. Taking a look at big boy number 2 in the crypto space, Ethereum. A very nice bullish response this week off of those structural kind of lows that it was facing. If we go back to Monday, Sunday and Monday, it was pushing down below that 3K zone only to have a pretty nice pop up. So on the daily chart, there's a clear struggle to get above the Tenkan Sen and that 382 fib retracement at 3280. And I'm just gonna make this really short, that if Ethereum fails to, it could close a little bit below, but ultimately if Ethereum really fails to close above 3,300, at 3,300 or higher, that could be very bearish. There's a huge cluster of resistance at 3,300. There's 382 fib retracement, the weekly Kijun Sen, and the volume point of control. There's no wonder that that's a hard area to break above. However, there was a very strong bounce off of the 50% retracement and the top of the cloud, and the hidden bullish divergence that's present with the composite indexes is this is very, very, very substantial hidden bullish divergence. And so, a doji here, spinning top, whatever you want to call it. It is developing a very nice bullish reversal candle, but personally, I would be very confident that things are going to rally higher if it's at 3,300 or higher. If not, it could be setting up for a very ugly bull trap that could see it push down to 2,500. As far as upside potential, the more than likely 4K is the high we would see over the next few days before we talk about it again on Tuesday, and the lows are at 2,500. Pass it off to you, Akash.
Ethereum's kind of been supported by this weekly support level at 3,061, and we've seen a nice ride up to this 200-day moving average and rejection just before that. So we kind of created this demand zone here, or daily demand zone. So I believe we're due for a retest of this demand zone before we see any sort of upside movement. And as I mentioned in the last video, the upside for Ethereum, at least in my opinion, is capped at 3,675. Anything beyond that seems highly unlikely, mainly because of this death cross that we see here between the 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average. And on top of that, we have this weekly resistance level here, which kind of coincides with the 100 moving average at 4,066. Yeah, other than that, we still have a lot of downside that I could see Ethereum explore in the near future. The bullish outlook that I'm seeing right now on Bitcoin and a lot of altcoins is good, but I think it's temporary. I don't see it. I don't see this reversal here being the bottom where we kind of maybe go out another leg up, where Bitcoin creates a new all-time high, maybe even Ethereum hits 5,000. I don't see this reversal point as that point. So I believe there's more downside. With that bearish note, I do want to say the upside for Ethereum is capped at 3,675. If we ever lose this weekly support level, or more precisely, the daily demand zone's lower limit at 2,927 on the daily time frame, I believe we're heading lower and collecting liquidity resting below 2,764. So that's my take on Ethereum.
All right. Well, thank you, Akash, and thank you everybody for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.